Hi everybody. Before I get started, I just want to apologize for my lighting. I have no idea why. Sometimes it works and sometimes it doesn't. This is not my area of expertise, lighting and cameras, and obviously it's sewing. And I can see fine, but as far as the camera goes, I don't know why it looks like this. So hopefully from here you can see what I'm doing and understand. So this is some client work that I'm doing, and my customer or client has lost some weight, and so I just pinned it to basically where he wants it on his body, and you can see how it kind of goes in and out here. I know how this is going to fit him, so it being a knit fabric, I'm not really concerned with the exact measurements because knit is a little more forgiving. I know how it fits on my client's body, but I just want to show you how I do it, because if you look at the neckline, it's kind of offset. Now you know if you've shopped at a low-end store or something and you wash the clothes and then they tweak on you, and sometimes the side seams come over the front or around the back and it doesn't look good. I don't know where he got this, but it's the same problem. They don't make sure everything's cut on grain, or they don't pre-shrink the fabric first, so this is what you end up with. So what I did, like I said, I pinned it on my client, and you can see the back was so much bigger than the front on him, so I pinned them together and marked where the pins were. You can see there's a lot more in the back that needs to be removed. On the other side, it looks like I didn't pin it exactly even. So what I did was I measured the distance between these pin marks and the distance between these. I added them together, divided them by 2, and that's how much I'm going to take up on each side. I've already done that, so I am just going to get started on this part, and you can watch, and we'll see how it turns out. You know, just like any other job that I do, I'm just going to remind you, there are going to be people that say, no, that's the wrong way, no, that's the right way. This is my way. It's what makes sense to me. So just take it as it is. If you like the way it turns out, then give it a shot. Now what I'm going to do is lay this out, and it's going to be straight across the shoulders. It's going to be all even up here, and then we'll adjust the body afterwards. Now what I want to be careful for is that the underarms meet up where they're supposed to. And so this is going to be taken up 2 inches under the arm. So I want to make sure that right here, it's going to meet up on that seam line. So I'm going to mark the 2-inch mark. And make sure it's meeting the arm, the seam on the back. Again, here it shows that the back is wider, and that's okay because we already knew it would be. And we're going to straighten this whole grain line issue. I'm going to feel for the underside because it is twisted, and now it's lying flat, so it's going to be, you see this kind of matching up. It looks good here, it's matching up here, but this side is off probably a good inch to up to 2 inches down here on the side. And again, it's off here. But what we do need to make sure of is that the hem line here matches up. You can see how I ironed the center front because I know my customer's measurements. I just want to make sure that it's going to be centered from here to here and then from here to here. And after I've done the math, I know that it'll be enough room for him now when I take off the desired amount. So basically I need to take off, it needs to be 11 inches here and then 11 inches here. So this is my new seam line, and I'm just going to take it from here and I'm going to come down to the side seam and then take it all the way down. That'll give him about 3 inches of room in his shirt. Let's do this again. This may seem like a lot for a t-shirt, but you know me. Check this measurement. 7 1/4. And hopefully that'll catch that underside, and it does. And these are going to be my new side seams. So now I'm going to get my serger, put my black thread on, and just serge that off and finish it all at one time. Okay, let's turn this inside or right side out and see what it looks like. And there it is. Much slimmer shirt. And that's it.
Thank you so much for watching my video all the way to the end. If you would like to see more videos like this, please subscribe to my channel and hit the bell so you're notified when I upload more videos. Also, if you would like to support this channel, I'll leave my links in the description box below. And even if you don't, all my videos here are free, and I am excited to talk to you guys, to answer any questions that you have, create any videos that you guys have suggestions for. So go ahead and hit that subscribe button and the bell so you're notified, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks. Bye.